Welcome back to Best Game Art of the Week, where we showcase this week's most stunning game models, environments, visual effects, and tools from the game art community. Now tag your post on Twitter with the Stylized Station hashtag for a chance to be featured. Now let's get right into this week's art. Starting off the countdown with number 15 is Chris McNally, Moonshiner's Cabin. In the 14th spot, it's Jack Walker with The Apprentice. Bertram Jensen punches his way into the 13th slot with Punch and Hit. Number 12 is Ron Simpson, the Gunsmith. Number 11, Iaroslav Grygorash, the Pawn. In the 10th spot, it's Simon Trümpler with Tileable Liquid Mesh on Spline. Käy Vriend made an amazing smart material that put her in the 9th slot today. At number 8, it's Ivan Boyko with 2D VFX Animation Clouds. Vladimir Kuzmenko smashes his way into 7th place with his Pocket Bifrost. Number 6 might be a familiar face, 3D extrude tutorials with Stylized roof tile. Starting off the top 5 is Liam Nguyen with Jelly Girl. Or Lucille Ferrard, Undead Chest. Lucille also has an amazing breakdown on our site. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. Pascal Scianti brings home the bronze medal with his work in progress inspired by Control Render with Unreal Engine 4.24 and Ray Trace. Great job. And in the number 2 spot, it's Dmitry Dorin with his incredible chair render. And in the number 1 spot of the week, it's Rachel Noy with her Dream Car 3D diorama. This is in my number 1 spot as the pick of the week because I absolutely love the Ghibli aesthetic, and she managed to maintain a painted and almost mural feel with a 3D asset. Amazing work. Make sure to subscribe to get weekly videos on the best game art in the game art community. As usual, I'm Stylized Station, and I will see you guys next week for another Best Game Art.